can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Aave. Over the last 1 year, Aave is up 105%. The big one is that it's official. We're in an altcoin season. If you know what altcoin season means, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is an altcoin season. And right now, we're in the first altcoin season of 2025, and historically, altcoin season is when altcoins go parabolic. We look at Aave's performance against the US dollar. How high can we go in the coming days and coming weeks? Where are those key levels where Aave might get rejected on our way to new all-time highs? We look at Aave's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also look at Aave's market cap, which sits around $4.49 billion. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Sentiment is neutral in the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of Aave? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Aave, currently trading around $294, has a market cap of $4.49 billion and a fully diluted market cap sitting at around $4.71 billion. We saw Aave's all-time high coming in on the 18th of May 2021. 4 years ago, so Aave trading for the magical number of $666. Right now, Aave is down 55% from its all-time highs. If you look at Aave's performance against the US dollar, it has not done poorly. It has been grinding this way from the depths of the bear market. We saw Aave pumping aggressively in the last bull market, going from as low as $26, and in the bull market around $666. A 2,400% move in just under 200 days. That's how crazy the altcoin market can be. That's how volatile the altcoin market can be. Every pump leads to a dump. Every dump leads to a pump. And before Aave even gave us this 2,400% pump to the moon, we saw it first dumping. The dump went down by more than 54%. For you to get those huge returns in the altcoin market, you have to be able to stomach huge drawdowns along the way. When the market got bearish in 2022 and 2023, we saw Aave dumping aggressively to Goblin Town, losing more than 93% of its value, which is normal in the altcoin market. A 93% dump is a rite of passage. A lot of altcoins have done that. Ethereum has done that. Bitcoin has done that. The real question is, can they bounce back and continue pumping to the moon? Do you have enough balls to buy them when they are down in Goblin Town? Are you the market participants that believe you want to buy low, you want to sell high? Because remember, guys, you're playing the game here. The game is against other market participants. The game is to buy as low as possible and to sell as high as possible, to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market and to sell when extreme greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. And if you're one of those players that bought Aave below the $50 level when it was down bad, right now the market is rewarding you for your patience, for your risk-taking ability. We have seen Aave get to as high as $393. We got rejected there in December of 2024. We're attempting to rally past that $396 level. We have seen Aave even get to as high as $380 in August. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we expect to see it blasting above the $396 level. But from the bear market bottom, Aave is up by more than 600%. Now, where are those key levels to watch out for Aave as we rally to all-time highs? First, that $369 level, the $396 level is proving difficult. We saw Aave having to consolidate around that level in the past. That was the optimal time to sell some Aave in 2021. I'll not be shocked if some big wheels are selling their Aave right now, because there's no guarantees in the altcoin market. But guys, don't forget, when we get altcoin season, which we have got into right now, that's when altcoins give us their blow off top. That's when altcoins pull up the final move in their cycle, and the biggest move come in the final phases of the market cycle. Aave is currently close to that $396 level. For us to rally above $396, we need to see a 36% pump to the upside, which can happen overnight. You know how volatile the altcoin market can be. A 36% pump is always just around the corner. For you to get that big pump to the upside, see this big drawdown you have to stomach. Even as Aave has been pumping since the bottom of the bear market, we have to see Aave lose around 70% of its value in 2025. But if you're holding strong, if you believed and you trusted the process, right now, Aave will be going for that mama jamma, the previous all-time highs, which sit around $666. Aave will need to pull off a 100 an 18% move to the upside. Now, all these moves can happen over the next 7 days, it can happen over the next 1 month. Nobody can say, but the altcoin market is usually very, very volatile at the end of a market cycle. I won't be shocked to see Aave attempt to even get to a $1,000 price point from where we're currently trading. For Aave to get to $1,000, we just need to pull off around a 250% move to the upside, which is possible and which can happen in a twinkle of an eye. If you want to buy some Aave tokens for yourself, you can get some Aave tokens on Binance, on Balancer, on Uniswap, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Aave tokens right there. Aave is a decentralized finance protocol that allows people to lend and borrow crypto. Lenders earn interest by depositing digital assets into specifically created liquidity pools. Borrowers can then use their crypto as collateral to take out a flash loan using this liquidity. Altcoin season is here. Altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin on a 90-day time frame, and historically, that's when you want to be exiting your altcoins. That's not when you want to be entering your altcoins, guys. Historically, altcoin season comes at the end of the market cycle. After altcoin season, a huge dump to goblin time is coming. After altcoin season, we're going to see the bubble busting. But right now, it's all good and dandy. More than 75% of the top 50 coins are doing better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. We'll be expecting that to continue, and I'm expecting to see that in Aave's performance against Ethereum. Historically, Aave's usually do well when it's outperforming Ethereum in the bull market. In the bear market, Ethereum is always outperforming Aave. Why? The bear market is driven by fear, and when market participants are fearful, they run towards safety. Safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin, is Ethereum, is the US dollar, and that's why during the bear market, you see Aave and other altcoins dumping aggressively against Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the US dollar. Against Ethereum, we saw Aave dumping by more than 92% in the bear market, losing its value by 92%, a rite of passage for all coins. But then the bull market has come around, and we have seen Aave outperforming Ethereum. We have seen it even outperform Ethereum by more than 398%. Yes, that's giving back some of those gains, but I told you earlier in the video, for you to get those outrageous returns, you have to stomach huge drawdowns along the way. I won't be shocked to see Aave still outperform Ethereum by more than 200% in the next few days and the next few weeks. Expect those big whales that have made huge gains in Bitcoin and Ethereum to start flipping their gains into the altcoin market, trying to get those 10x, those 5x, those 2x, and Aave will be one of those positions that you see gain from that process. Bitcoin dominance is dumping, which is another important factor to watch out for. Bitcoin dominance dumping has always led to altcoins pumping. That's led to altcoins having a nice time. And right now, as we're in altcoin season and Bitcoin dominance is dumping, you watch out to see what altcoins like Aave will do over the next few days and the next few weeks. But don't forget, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. You want to plan your trade and you want to trade your plan. Sentiment is still neutral in the cryptocurrency market, even though Bitcoin is near all-time highs, even though Ethereum is near all-time highs, even though a lot of altcoins are near all-time highs. You want to wait for that period in time where you will see extreme greed in cryptocurrency market, where you see altcoins going parabolic, the altcoin season index will be flashing altcoin season, Bitcoin dominance dumping. When all these factors line up together in your favor, then you know it's time to sell for some sweet profit. But if you look at Aave's market cap, it will give you a very good idea of when to sell. Right now, Aave's market cap sits at a $4.4 billion level. We've seen it rise to as high as a $5.8 billion level, and we got rejected. We rose to as high as the $5.8 billion level in December of 2024. We got rejected there. We saw Aave pumping aggressively to the moon. In the coming days and the coming weeks, the line in the sand for us to get to new all-time highs, we'll see Aave's market cap getting above the $8.5 billion region. And from where we're currently trading, for Aave to pull such moves, we need to see more than a 90% pump to the upside. 90% pump to the upside is a pump for ants. 90% pump to the upside in cryptocurrency market can happen overnight. I won't be shocked to see Aave's market cap getting to $10 billion. Can we get to $20 billion? Yes, we can, if we see Aave pumping by more than 350% from where we are currently trading. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Sentiment is still neutral in the cryptocurrency market. Altcoin season is here. How high do you see Aave going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you think a new all-time high is possible? More importantly, where will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification. If you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.